Hello, this is wmpyr. For today's lesson, we're going to be working with single stick, and it's going to be a 4-count angles of attack exercise. This is a form that I made, and I haven't seen anywhere else. But what I do like about it is because it covers a square, and this is what I call the frame, which is a concept found in boxing, Thai boxing, and also Wing Chun. And it also has some attacks that are not commonly found on other angles of attack forms, and it also focuses on a left side and on a right side, and I really like that as well. Alright, so first let me just demonstrate to you the form, and it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just 4 moves. Once again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It doesn't matter where you start. I could start from here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, or I could start from here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The main thing is it's going in this direction right now. It's basically a circle going in this direction, except I'm making straight lines, but it follows this direction, which means of course you could go in the other direction as well. If I was going this way, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then I could also go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I'm going in this direction. Okay, so you could go either direction and you could start anywhere you want, but basically it's a horizontal up here, a vertical line on the left side, a horizontal on the bottom line, and then a vertical line on the right side. Alright, so now that you know the basic angles of attack form on this one, what we're going to do is we're going to change one little thing. Okay, so it's 4 movements: 1, 2, 3, and 4. What we're going to do is we're going to change that last one, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and instead of coming upwards, we're actually going to go downwards. So let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, and then right here I'm going to go down. I'm going to go the other direction. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, so you could see that instead of going this way, this way, this way, and it should go up, I'm actually going to go down. If you want to include footwork, you could include footwork at any point, but a good thing to do is 1, 2, 3, and on this last one right here, this is where you would step out as you cut down, okay, because that's how we could work off at an angle. So once again, 1, 2, 3, and then right here I could shove the guy with my free arm, push his shoulder, pass his arm, anything that's in the way, I'm passing it, and as I pass it, I smash anything else that's in the way down as I go off to an angle. And then I could continue my attack from there. The last thing that we're going to cover is we're going to change the angle of the actual attack. What I mean by that is, for example, when we're doing, let's say, an X strike like this. Okay, I'm going 1 and 2. You could do it to where it's like this, 1 and 2, or you could do it like this, 1 and 2. The difference right there is I'm making the X cut very, very vertical or very, very horizontal, like so. So you should be able to control that. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing for this one. So what we're going to be doing here is pretty much the same thing as we just did, except the angle is going to be pretty different. All right, so let me demonstrate it first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so it's the same 4 movements, and first is a horizontal. This is the same. Second is a vertical. This is the same. And then for number 3 and number 4, instead of coming, this was my number 3, which was a low horizontal. Instead of doing that, I'm going to do a diagonal slash this way. See that? A diagonal slash, and then I'm going to finish with another diagonal slash this way. So let's do that again. 1, 2, and instead of going 3 and then 4 this way, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see, diagonal, diagonal. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The movement comes from what we just did, which was changing the 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we changed that last one. Instead of going up like I just did, we're going 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go down, right? So notice this is a downward strike, and that's what I'm keeping here. So I'm going 1, 2, diagonal, and then another diagonal. Notice it's also a downward strike. So the movement should feel very similar, but the angle is not the same. It's not so much the actual techniques that we're doing here, but the concept. The concept behind what I showed you is, first you're going to practice the angles of attack. That's the first thing. Get that down. Number two, we're going to change one thing out of the entire form. Just change one thing and then practice that. And then number three, change the angle of attack. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and take care, folks.